Dear children, this is our maths class. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Take care of your health, children. Okay. Today we shall learn subtraction. Okay. What is subtraction? Subtraction is the operation of taking the difference of two numbers. Okay, children, what is subtraction? The operation of finding the difference between two numbers. Okay, it is used to describe how we take away one or more numbers from another. It is denoted by, subtraction is denoted by minus sign. Is it not? In subtraction, the number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend. Okay, the first number is called the minuend. Okay, children, and the result obtained after subtraction, the result obtained is called the difference. Okay, children, understood? The number from which we subtract is called the minuend, and the number subtracted is called the subtrahend. The result after subtraction is called the difference. First of all, we can see the properties of subtraction. Okay, what's the first property? When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, children, see this example, 867 minus 0 equal to 867. Okay, what is our first property? When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, children? When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the same number. Okay, children? The first property is when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the same number. Okay, children? See our second property. What's the second property? When we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. See this example, 532 minus 532 equal to 0. Okay, children, what's the second property? When we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Okay, the difference is 0. When same number is subtracted, the difference is 0. Okay, children. See the next property, third property. The predecessor of a number is obtained by subtracting 1 from that number. That means 639 minus 1 is 638. Okay, children. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. The difference is the before number. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before. Okay, children, that's our third property. Okay, what's the property? What are the three properties? When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. When we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. The predecessor of a number is obtained by subtracting 1 from that number. Okay, children? Let's look at this example. Subtract. See here, subtract 57 lakhs 39,146 from, see here, 2 crore 40 lakhs 36,791. Okay, we are going to subtract 57 lakhs 39,146 from 2 crore 40 lakhs 36,791. Okay, children, see here it's a 7-digit number, here 8-digit number, isn't it? Which is the bigger number, 7-digit number or 8-digit number? Yes, it's 8-digit number is a greater number, is not bigger number. So while subtracting greater number we have. Yes, here we arranged the numbers vertically in crore, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay children, here smaller number is written below the bigger number. Okay children, a smaller number is written below the bigger number. Here which is the minuend and which is the subtrahend? Yes, here the first number is the minuend and the second, the number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend. Is it not children? Here we are going to subtract from ones place. Okay, we always start from right side. Okay, ones place. From ones place we have to start to subtract. Okay children, here the numbers are 1, 6. That means we are going to subtract 6 from 1. Is it not children? Here we cannot subtract. Is it not? We cannot subtract 6 from 1. Because why? Because a number on the top is smaller. Is it not? Here 1 is smaller than 6. So what we have to do here? Say what is, how much is 1 minus 6? Yes, we have to carry from tens place, is it not? In tens place 9 is there. From 9 we have to carry 1 and so we have to carry 1 from 9. So here 1 becomes 11, is it not? 110 borrow from tens place. So 110 means 10 tens, is it not? So already we have 1. So now 10 tens, 10 ones plus this 1, 11, is it not? So 11 minus 6. Now it's possible to subtract, is it not? So 11 minus 6. What is 11 minus 6? 11 minus 6 is, yes, 5. Okay children. So here we borrowed from tens place. There 9, already 9 is there. Now what is left there? Yes, 1 left from 9, is it not? So what's the remaining number? 1 left from 9. So yes, 8. Yes, 8 is there in tens place. Okay children. Now we have to subtract 8 minus 4. Okay children, what is 8 minus 4? How much is 8 minus 4? Yes, 8 minus 4 is, yes, 4. See, in hundreds place 7 and 1. We have to subtract 1 from 7. What is 7 minus 1? We can subtract, is it not? Because on the number on the top is greater. So we can subtract easily. 7 minus 1. Yes, 7 minus 1 is, yes, 6. See our thousands place. What is in thousands place? Yes, 6 is in thousands place, is it not? So we are going to subtract 9 from 6. Okay children, how much is 6 minus 9? Is it possible to subtract? Yes, no. So we have to borrow from the 10,000s place. There 3 is there. We are going to borrow from 1 from there. So we borrow 1 10,000s and we can regroup here. So already 6 is there. Now we joined 1 here. So this 6 becomes now 16. Okay children. Now in thousands place it becomes 16. Now subtract and say 16 minus 9. Now we can subtract easily. Is it not? Because a number on the top is greater. Is it not children? So 16 minus 9. What is 16 minus 9? Say what is 16 minus 9? Yes, it is 7. Okay children. See in 10,000s place there 1 left, is it not? So already 3 is there. Now 1 left from 3. So now it's 2. Okay children. Got it? So here now we are going to subtract 2. Yes, 3 from 2. Okay children. 2 minus 3. What is 2 minus 3? See here on the top. Yes, on the top a smaller number is there. So we cannot subtract, yes, 3 from
2. So again we are going to borrow. Borrow means here in lakhs place nothing is there, 0 is there. Is it not, children? So what we have to do? Yes, lakhs place nothing means we can move to the 10 lakhs place. Okay, children, there 4 is there. So we are going to borrow from there. They have 4. So 10 lakhs, from 10 lakhs we are going to carry one number from 10 lakhs. So there 3. One left from 4. So there 3. That one we can join in lakhs place. So already 0 is there. Now it becomes 10. Okay, children. So now they have 10. In lakhs place 10 is there. Now we can easily borrow from 10. Okay, so we have to we need one for here 10,000 place, is it not, children? So we are going to borrow from now from 10. So they will give 1. So there 1 left means there 9. So this number becomes yes 12. Okay, children. So 12 minus 3. What is 12 minus 3? Now is it possible to subtract? Because on the top a greater number is there, is it not? So we can easily subtract now 12 minus 3. So okay, what is 12 minus 3? Yes, it is 9. Okay, children. See now lakhs column 9 is there. So we have to subtract 7 from 9. Is it possible to subtract? Yes. So 9 minus 7, what is 9 minus 7? Yes, it is 2. See, in 10 lakhs place 3 minus 5. Okay, children, we cannot subtract 5 from 3, is it not? Because on the top a smaller number is there. So we cannot borrow, we cannot subtract. So again we are going to carry 1 from yes, cross period. There 2 is there. So we are going to carry one number from there. So here it becomes 13. There one number left. So yes, there 1. Okay, children. Say what is 13 minus 5? Yes, 13 minus 5 is yes 8, is it not? Next, what's in cross period? Yes, cross period 1 is there. But here no number, so we can write that one yes as it is. Okay, children. So now what's our answer? The answer is 1 crore 82 lakhs 97,645. Okay, children. The result after subtraction is called yes the difference. Okay, children, difference. The first number is called yes minuend. The number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. After subtraction we will get the result. That result is called difference. Okay, children. Look at the next example, children. Subtract and check your answer. Okay. After subtracting these numbers, we have to check the answer also. Got it, children? So here a smaller number is written below the greater number. So arrange the numbers vertically in crores, 10 lakhs, 10,000, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, children? First of all, we have to subtract, then only checking. Got it, children? Says how will you subtract in ones place? From ones place we have to start our subtraction. So in ones place what are the numbers? Yes, 7. Okay, children, how much is 7 minus 7? We all know what is 7 minus 7. Yes, we have the property, is it not? What is the property? Yes, same number is, when same number is subtracted, the difference is 0, is it not? So here 7 minus 7, what is 7 minus 7? 0. Okay, children. See in tens place 1 minus 6. Okay, children. Number on the top is a smaller number. So We cannot subtract, is it not? So what we have to do? Yes, we have to borrow from hundreds place. There 3 is there, is it not? So from there we borrow 1 means here already we have 1, so it becomes 11. Okay children, there 1 left, is it not? So there remaining 2. Okay, so what is 11 minus 6? 11 minus 6 is, yes, 5. Okay children, next, yes, 2. 2 minus 6. Is it possible to subtract 6 from 2? Yeah, no, is it not? So we have to borrow from, yes, thousands place. There also 0, nothing is there. So we can move to the 10,000s place. Okay children, so 10,000s place means there 5 is there, is it not? So 5 is there means from there we have to subtract, we have to borrow 1. Okay, so 1 left from 5 means therefore here that one we can join here, we join here, so there it becomes 0 becomes 10. Okay children, now they have in thousands place 10 is there, isn't it? So we can easily borrow from 1 there. So there 1 left means there 9. That one we can add here. So in hundreds place now 2 becomes 12. Okay children, so here 12 minus 6. What is 12 minus 6? Yes, it is 6. Okay, now see here 9 minus 4. What is 9 minus 4? A greater number is on the top, so we can easily subtract, is it not? So 9 minus 4. What is 9 minus 4? Yes, 5. Okay children, next 10,000s place 4 is there. 4 minus 2. Yes, it is 2. Okay. So now in lakhs place 6 minus 8. Is it possible? 6 minus 8. We cannot subtract, is it not? Because smaller number is on the top. So we have to borrow from 10 lakhs place. There 6 is there. So from 6 we can take 1. So there 5. So 1 left means there 5. So here in lakhs place that it becomes, yes, 16. Okay children, 16. So what is 16 minus 8? Yes, it is 8. So for next 10 lakhs place it is 5, is it not? So 5 minus 7. Smaller number is on the top, so we cannot subtract. So again we borrow from crores period, is it not children? Crores place we are going to borrow. So there 8 is there. So we 1 left from 8 means there 7. That one we can, yes, here it becomes 15. Okay children. So 15 minus 7. What is 15 minus 7? Yes, it is 8. Okay children, here 7 minus 4. What is 7 minus 4? Yes, it is 3. Okay children, that's our subtraction. So after subtracting we have to check our answer. Okay children, we are going to check our answer. For checking subtraction, we add the difference. Okay, we add the difference with the subtrahend. Okay children, if the sum is equal to the minuend, is first subtrahend one to write, then difference. Okay children. So here difference we have to arrange. Okay, difference and the subtrahend we have to add. Okay children, we add the difference and with the subtrahend. Okay children, if the sum is equal to the minuend, okay children, the sum is after addition we will get the result, is it not? So that result is called sum, S-U-M, sum. Is it not children? That sum, if the sum is equal to the minuend, then our subtraction is, yes, correct. Okay, that's our checking subtraction. Got it children? So we can add here what is 0 plus 7 in ones place from, yes, from ones place we have to add 0 plus 7, yes, 7. Okay children, 5 plus 6, what is 5 plus 6? Yes, it is 11. So 11 means 1 we have to write here. 1 we have to carry over to the next place. Okay. So there now in hundreds place 1, 6, 6. So what is 1 plus 6? Yes, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 6. What is 7 plus 6? Yes, 13. 13 means 3 we have to write here. 1 we have to carry over to thousands place. Okay, children. Now in thousands place 1, 5, 4. What is 1 plus 5? Yes, 6. 6 plus 4? Yes, 10. 10 means 1's place 0 is there right here. 10's place 1 is there. That one right carry over to 10,000's place. Okay, children. So here, yes, in 10,000's place 1, 2, 2. Okay, children. What is 1 plus 2? Yes, 3. 3 plus 2? Yes, 5. So see in lakhs place? Lakhs place 8, 8. Okay, what is 8 plus 8? Yes, 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 means in 1's place 6 is there. In 10's place 1 is there. That one we have to carry over to next place. Okay. So there now 1, 8 and 7. Okay, children, what is 191 plus 8? Yes, 9. 9 plus 7? 9 plus 7 is? Yes, 16. 16 means 6 here. 1 carry over to the next place. Okay, 1 plus 3 plus 4. In cross period, 1 plus 3 plus 4. What is 1 plus 3? Yes, 4. 4 plus 4? Yes, 8. Okay, children, then now we got the sum. After adding these two numbers, we got the sum. Yes, 8 crore. Yes, 66 lakhs. Yes, 50,000. 317. See, that's our minuend. 86650,317. Okay, children, 86650,317. Okay, children, the sum is, yes, sum is equal to the minuend. So, our, yes, subtraction is correct. Got it, children? Okay, after subtracting the numbers, we have to, yes, we have to check our answer. While checking the answer, we have to add the subtrahend and the difference. After adding the subtrahend and the difference, we will get to the minuend means our answer is correct. Okay, our subtraction is correct. Understood, children?
Look at these two questions, children. This is only today's homework. Okay. Here subtract and check your answer. First of all, you have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. You will get the difference, is it not? After that, you have to check your answer. So how will you check your answer? After getting the difference, after getting the answer, we add the difference with the subtrahend. Okay, children. Thus, if the sum is equal to the minuend, our answer is, okay, our subtraction is correct. Okay, children. Here there are two questions are there. This is only today's homework. Okay. Can you do this? Okay, children. Thank you.